So now my AC compressor is leaking. You can see right here on the neon green dye with the UV light. It's leaking from the pulley area. This is my 2016 Honda Civic 10th gen with 57,000 miles, and it just had the AC compressor replaced just over a year ago. I also had the condenser replaced as well under warranty. So now there's no AC, it's not blowing cold. Freon is leaking out of the system through here and through a couple other spots on the condenser. And Honda doesn't want to fix this issue just because I'm out of warranty. Even though this is a big common problem on all 10th gen Honda Civics, they just can't seem to get the AC right. I've already had this system replaced just over a year ago and already leaking again. That's unacceptable. So I'm not happy about this. I think Honda should set out a recall for not only the condenser but the compressor as well, because if you're leaking Freon, you're going to be damaging the compressor because the oil is coming out with the Freon. So Honda, do the right thing and put out a recall for this. This is unacceptable.